So I think I'm gonna call it a day. I got 6 slabs out of that sweet gum. The person told me it was at the top of the tree. So it was a 3-branch topper, and this is basically what I have left over right here. I think I'm gonna leave this right here, and then I'm probably gonna put the ladder on this again and then cut another 2-inch section out, because I do have enough wood here, and I would hate to just, throw this away, because it's about 6 inches of wood there. So I could possibly cut it twice, but I might just cut it once and then take both halves and flatten it out whenever it dries out. So that's what I'm gonna do with that. I'm gonna put everything up. I gotta get all of these little things up. My small chainsaw, blowtorch, my shovel over there, chainsaw, foam mount, hatchets, my drill, my gloves, my scrunch, and then probably just move stuff away. I'll probably rake this up into that pile over there. But one thing today that I noticed is that I was having issues with my chain. I did sharpen it once. I think I made 2 or 3. I think I made 2 cuts with it, and then I sharpened it, and it sharpened both sides. So I did this one here, and I also did that one. These on the inside where the mill's at is really hard to do, but I was able to get it. I don't know if I need to square these tips or put a degree on them. Right now I've got a degree, and they feel really sharp, but y'all probably can't see them. But I'm gonna try to do some research and figure out what's the best way of sharpening the chain for chainsaw milling. I mean, these look great. I don't know if I need to put slack. See, this is actually with slack in my chain. So I don't know if I need to have slack in my chain, if I need to have my chain tight. Because I feel like I used the chainsaw mill exactly like how I did the red oak slabs. And the red oak slabs came out really great. The only thing about those is it was a sharpened chain for the first 3 or 4 cuts, and then I did sharpen that one, but I sharpened it with the chainsaw out of the mill. So I don't know, it's got to be the chain, the way it's sharpened. I did not change anything else. So, but I'm gonna try to do a little research on that. Maybe I don't have the same degrees on these. I do not know, because like I said, I freehand file these, and they're not bad. It's just I'm gonna have to do more flattening with the router. I've seen people get really good success with chainsaw milling for flattening and not having all those, chainsaw ridges in there. So I just see how I need to sharpen it, and if you guys have any experience with milling, let me know, because I'm open ears. I want it to be a little bit flatter than how it was today.